In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to and from China with Wise using CNY or RMB in a step-by-step guide. We'll walk through the entire process, whether you're sending funds to China or receiving money from there. Let's dive right in. To kick things off, make sure you're logged into your Wise account. Once you're in, you'll want to look out for the option that says Send or Receive. This option is your gateway to start transferring funds, whether you're the one sending or on the receiving end of a transaction. If you're planning to send money to China, the next thing you need to do is to select CNY or the Chinese yuan as your target currency. This step is quite important because it sets the stage for how your currency will be converted and received on the other side. Once you've picked CNY, it's time to decide how much you're going to send. Wise will then provide a detailed breakdown of the fees involved, helping you understand the exact cost you'll incur for this transfer. Make sure to review these fees carefully before you confirm the amount you're sending. Being aware of all the charges ensures there are no surprises later. Now, after you've confirmed the amount, the next move is to fill in the recipient's details accurately. Specifically for sending money to China, you'll need the recipient's Cnyrmb bank details. Cnyrmb is a major bank card service in China, making it essential for the transaction to go smoothly. Let's switch gears to receiving money from China. It's important to remember that at present, Wise does not support receiving money in Chinese yuan or CNY. Instead, if someone from China wants to send you money, they'll need to use an alternative currency. Something like USD would work perfectly. This is a crucial point to avoid any confusion or complications during the transaction process. Once you've clarified the currency to be used, go ahead and share your Wise balance details with the sender. This information will guide them in transferring the money directly to your account. Wise makes this process straightforward, ensuring that both parties are on the same page and that the transfer goes through without a hitch. Finally, once everything is set in motion, it's wise to keep an eye on the progress. Head over to the Activity tab within the Wise app or web platform. This tab will show you the status of your transaction and keep you updated on any developments. Monitoring this tab regularly ensures you're well informed and that you can promptly address any issues that might pop up. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough on how to send and receive money between China and the rest of the world using Wise. I hope you found this guide informative and that it makes your next transaction a breeze. Thanks for tuning in and happy transferring.